Many leaders will say that their leadership teams don't meet regularly enough. When they do meet, the focus is largely on operational issues, with a long agenda and little time. Attention goes to what is urgent and tactical, rather than what is strategic. Thus, leaders know the importance of occasionally bringing their leadership team together for a more strategic type of conversation. That is the type of conversation that fuels innovation, ensures alignment, energizes execution, and also builds the cohesion and resilience of the team. Despite the importance, leaders often have a sense of trepidation about bringing their leadership teams together. With lots of meetings and workshops in the diary, what value will another bring? Could it end up being just another talking shop? Could it generate noise and interference rather than clarity and alignment? The leadership team is the most important of all teams, given its impact on the success of the organization. Also, given the importance of leadership at a time of accelerating change and uncertainty. But the leadership team also faces the greatest challenges when it comes to teamwork and collaboration. First, there is the level of pressure on its individual members and the challenge of reconciling departmental and functional responsibilities with the collective responsibilities of the leadership team. Moreover, strong personalities and varying styles within the leadership team make balancing tension and cohesion a priority. Yet, the means of developing and sustaining a unified leadership team is to bring the team together outside the daily running of the business. Are you planning to bring your leadership team together to review its strategy, check its alignment, and unlock its potential? If yes, why not talk to us? Many leaders will say that their leadership teams don't meet regularly enough.